Good day, FASA members. Welcome to the FASA Minute. FASA provided the Minister and Department with a comprehensive submission on the export quota. It's going to take a couple of months for this process to conclude, and we suspect that legal action will be taken to stop the export quota. The Leopard project is continuing well. The first 3 sites concluded. We're nearly finishing the sites in the Eastern Cape, and then we're going to move to the next ones. The first interim report was provided to us by SCIF and was part of our quota submission. We provided comments on the norms and standards, proposed changes, elephant, rhino and leopard norms and standards. We also made comments on the regulations on well-being. We are opposed to the well-being definition, welfare definition, and in the agricultural legislation is already sufficient, and we feel that it's overreach, but we responded to that as well. So we'll see how that progresses. The meeting with the Minister, we also addressed all of these issues. The first provincial meeting was held this week at FASA House with North West and Gauteng. Thank you for the members that attended. Next week we'll be in the Free State and Northern Cape and Kimberley. Please come and join us and spend some time with everybody. Next weekend we'll be departing for CIC. FASA has been invited to give a presentation to the Exco of CIC on FASA's policies, what we're doing. There is a possibility that membership will be offered to us in the future, so let's see how that goes. We had some personnel changes. Dorette is now finding her feet as the finance lady. Please email her if you've got any questions. From time to time there will be duplications and emails sent, so please bear with us, but we've got everything under control. Lynette has left us. She's started a new job position, and Amanda has taken over her position, and she will be dealing with you guys. Please come and say hi to everybody in the office. We're waiting for the registers and the medals to arrive. They've all been ordered, and we should have stock later this week or early next week. We are busy exploring to start a podcast. Me and Ilse have recorded the first one on RPL, and we will hopefully post that soon. And then we will start looking at subjects that is of interest to you guys to have further podcasts in that regard. Then the AGM's date and location has been sent to you. Please bookmark the date, and please book your accommodation early, and please join us at the AGM. Thank you guys. Most of you already started hunting. Happy hunting, and see you soon.